Good morning, all of you. Are you ready for the computer class, beta? Ready? Okay, very good. Good morning, beta. You know you have computer exam, so you have to practice. So today it's a revision class, okay? It's a revision class, and you all, first of all, you all take out your computer book. You all please take out your computer book, and you know very well chapter number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These 5 chapters have in your syllabus, okay? You have to practice all the 5 chapters, okay? Good morning, beta. Good morning. Let's start now. You all please take out your computer book. Have you take out your computer book or not? And if you have any questions, any queries, you can ask me, okay? If you have any doubt, any questions, you can ask me, okay? And nobody will leave the class before taking the attendance, okay? I will not take the attendance now. Later on, I will take your attendance, not now. Do you have any questions? Any queries, you can ask me. Now, take out your computer book and open page number 50. You all please take out your computer book and open page number 50. Have you opened, beta? There is assessment 1. We will practice this. These all the questions from previous chapter. Chapter number 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. All the questions. Previously we have done all this. Okay. This is a division class. Assessment 1. Assessment 1. Have you opened? Jihad, have you opened your book, beta? Okay. Then start now. Fill in the blanks. First, fill in the blanks. Number 1. Fill in. Number A. A dash helps us to point at things on the monitor. Beta, Jarin, page number 50. Page number 50. I already written on the board. Can you see the board clearly, beta? Can you listen my voice? Yes, Kaustav, very good. Jarin, very good. Mahfuzur, very good. Jihad, very good. Jarin, very good, beta. Okay, fine. First is answer is number A, mouse. Nilatri, very good. Our mouse helps us to point at things on the monitor. Our mouse helps us to point at things on the monitor. So first answer is mouse. Very good, all of you. Next, number B. Next, number B. Our dash does not have its own brain. A dash does not have its, yes, very good, Mafizur, very good, Bithika, Niladri, very good, beta, Devayon, Jarin, Kaustav, very good, beta, Darsh, Devayon, very good, beta. There a dash does not have a computer, Jihad, very good, beta, Devdeep, very good. A computer does not have its own brain. Devdeep, very good. A computer does not have its own brain. Computer, C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R. Computer. A computer does not have its own brain. Next, number 3. Next, number 3. Very good, all of you. Pressing the mouse button is called dash. Pressing the mouse button is called clicking. Very good, Kaustav. Very good, Bithika. Very good, Jarin. Mahfuzur, Darsh, Niladri, Debayan. Very good, beta. Pressing the mouse button is called clicking. is called? Devdeep, very good. Devayan, very good. Jihad, very good. Pressing the mouse button is called clicking. C-L-I-C-K-I-N-G. Next number D. Next number D. Computers are used to listen to dash and play dash. Okay, very good Bithika, very good Mafizur, very good Kaustubh, Devayan, very good beta. Computer are used to listen to music, first blank, music and play games. Music and play games. Very good all of you. Niladi, Kaustubh, Devayan, Charin, Mafizur, Bithika, Dars. Very good beta. Devdeep. Computers are used to listen to music. First blank, write down music and play games. And play games. Done everybody? Okay, fine. Next number 2. Very good all of you. State whether the following statements are true or false. Okay. State whether the following statements true or false. Number 2. True or false. Number A. Double clicking is used to open an item on the monitor. It is true. Yes, very good. Mafizur, Devayan, Jarin, Kaustubh, Bithika, Niladri. Very good beta. Double click opens an item. Okay. So double clicking is used to open an item on the monitor. It is true. Niladri, Devayan, Devdeep. Very good beta. Number A. True. T for true. Here is a small box is given. So you just write down T. T means T for true. T-R-U-E. Next number B. Next number B. There are 9 number keys present on the keyboard. Number 2. There are 9 number keys are present on the keyboard. It is true or false? Yes, very good. Mafizur, Jarin, Kaustubh. You should give a numbering. Which number is false? Okay, number B. Okay, B, false. Why it is false? Can you tell me why it is false? Why it is false? Very good all of you. It is false. You are correct. Yes, Kaustubh. Very good. There are 10 number keys, not 9. There are 10 number keys. 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That means 10 number keys are present on the keyboard, not 9. So it is false. Number B, false. Next number C. Next number C. A computer never makes mistakes or gets tired. It is true. Yes, very good, Jarin. Very good, Vithika. Number C is true. Computer never makes mistakes and never get tired. Number C, true. And next number D. Next number D. Next number D. While holding a mouse, keep your middle finger on the left button of the mouse. It is true or false? It is true or false, beta? It is true or false? It is false. You are correct. But why it is false? Can you tell me? Why it is false? You are correct. It is false. Why it is false? Tell me the reason, beta. While holding a mouse, keep your middle finger on the left button of the mouse. It is false. Index finger remain left side. Vithika, okay, fine, you are correct. And Kaustubh also index finger. That means we should keep the index finger on the left mouse button and middle finger on the right mouse button. But here is given middle finger on the left mouse button. So it is false. Okay, very good. Completed, board work completed. Next is number 3, oral questions. Oral questions. You all please take out your notebook. Take out your notebook, beta. We cannot write the question answer in our book. We have to write in our notebook. So you all please take out your computer notebook and note down. First question, question number 1. Write any two uses of computers. Write any two uses of computers. Write any two uses of computers. You can write play games. We can uses of computer. Yes, very good, Jarin. Listen to music, solve sums quickly, play games, and many things are there. You just write number A. We can play games, and we can draw and color pictures also. And number B, listen to music. Number B, listen to music. Next question, anything you can write, no problem. We can listen to music, we can solve sums quickly. Okay, anything you can write, no problem. Listen to, beta Nirajit, T not double two, T-O, okay. Study different subjects, solve sums, very good Devayan, you can do it. You can write this one, no problem at all. Now, question number 2. How many alphabet keys are present on a keyboard? How many alphabet keys are present on a keyboard? How many? Can you tell me the answer? I hope you all have given the answer. Yes, very good. Very good, all of you. Bithika, Jarin, Niladri, Debayon, Rishabh, Kaustav, Devdeep. Very good, beta. There are 26 alphabet keys. Jiyat. There are 26 alphabet keys. A to Z. A to Z are 26 alphabet. So, 26 alphabet keys. 26 alphabet keys. There are 26 alphabet keys are present on the keyboard. Okay, can I rub the board? We have to write the next two questions. Why do we use speakers? Why do we use speakers? Why? Question number 3. Why do we use speakers? Can you tell me the answer? Why do we use speaker? We use speakers to listen to sounds and music. Speakers are, yes, very good, used to listen to music and sounds. Speakers are used to listen to sounds and music. Okay, yes, very good, all of you, very good, beta. Next question number 4. How many arrow keys are present on a keyboard? Question number 4. How many arrow keys are present on a keyboard? How many arrow keys are present on a keyboard? How many arrow keys? Can you tell me? There are, very good, all of you, very good, beta. There are 4 arrow keys. Can you tell me the name of this arrow keys? 4 arrow keys. Can you tell me the name of this arrow keys? There are, you are correct, you all are correct, beta. This is up arrow. This is down arrow. Up arrow, down arrow, right arrow and left arrow. Up, down, left and right. Very good all of you. Niladji, Kaustav, Mafizur, very good beta. Up arrow, Debayon, very good. Up arrow, down arrow, right arrow and left arrow. Up, down, right, left. Okay, completed. Now think and do. Now think and do. Question number 4. Ravi wants to listen to music on the computer system. Ravi wants to listen to music on the computer system. Which part of the computer do you think he should use to listen to music? Yes, very good, Vitika, very good, Kaustav. Speaker. You can write the answer beside the question. Speakers. You should use speakers. Completed. Now picture based questions. We will solve picture based questions now. There is a keyboard. Look at the given picture and label the given keys on the keyboard. Okay, and label the given keys on the keyboard. Okay, we will solve this one. Number A, caps lock key. Number A, this is the caps lock key, and number B, this is alphabet P, and number C, this is space bar key, and number D, this is right arrow. I will write on board. Before that, I want to take the attendance. Okay, first I will write down. Number A, 5A. This is caps lock key. Caps lock key. Next, number B. Number B, alphabet P. Alphabet P. Okay, and next number C. Number C, space bar key. And number D, this is right arrow key. This is right arrow key. Next, write down this one, you all please, in the blank portion, and next page we will do it later on. Wait, beta, there is an activity. One has been done for you. These animals are looking for keys that match with the first letter of their names. Help them find the keys. One has been done for you. Dog, D, match with D. Okay, before that I want to take your attendance. Still you try this. Bithika, what is your name, beta? Bithika Maji, present today, and Darsh Shabanto, present, and Debayon Mollik, present, Devdeep Murmu, Devdeep Murmu present. Next is Imon Das present. Okay, Jareen Sultana present. Jareen Sultana present. Next is Jiyad Khan. Jiyad Khan present. Next is Kaustav Shaha. Kaustav Shaha present. Mahfuzur Rahman present. Mohian Chakraborty present. Minajuddin Ahmed present. Then Niladri Chakraborty present. Niladri, your name beta. Yes, got it. Niladri Chakraborty present. And then Rishan Chaudhary present. And Rishabh Debnath present. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. Okay, got it. I have taken your attendance. Now, next page, D for dog. I will not do this one. You just do it your own. This is horse, match with H, monkey, match with M. This is your work, okay? And lion, match with L. Find the letter alphabet and match with the animal, okay? And elephant, E, cat, she, giraffe, G, and bear, B, okay? Okay, beta. Now you have exam. You all will study all the chapters 1 to 5. All will, in your exam, all the questions are MCQ. 4 options will be there and you have to take the correct answer. Okay? For today, bye. Bye all of you, beta. Bye-bye. Have a nice day.